this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel and delete your Namecheap domain. Open up Namecheap, hover over your name, and then go into dashboard. From within the dashboard here, we want to copy our domain name. So first copy the domain name, and then the second thing that we need to do is to go and click on the arrow here and click on manage. Once you click on manage, make sure that auto renew is turned off. So whatever you have associated with your domain, make sure it is turned off so it's not auto renewing. And then the last thing that we need to do here is to scroll down and click on chat with a live person. Once you click on that, here this is going to pop up. Click on it, and what can we help with? So here what we're gonna do is type delete this domain, and you will paste the domain name which we just copied, and you will send it. And here the person whom you are talking to is gonna help you with the deletion, and they're gonna do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.